the first chapter, which is animal life. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. 1 second. I'll just take my book.
Yes, sure.
Ma'am, actually, when we come to the solar system chapter, my Ambika ma'am taught me about the sun, the earth, and the eclipses. So we don't need to cover that when we go to the solar system chapter.
After this chapter?
No, ma'am. When we go to the solar system chapter, you don't need to cover.
Okay, these topics that you have covered. Okay, okay.
Yeah, she already covered this one.
Okay, so when we'll do that chapter, just remind at that time. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I will.
Okay. So animal life. So animals are broadly divided into vertebrates and invertebrates.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so all the animals, whether aquatic, whether land, so they are divided into vertebrates and invertebrates. So how do we classify them? How do we define them? What are vertebrates? So vertebrates, these are those animals with a vertebral.
Ma'am, vertebral column means the spine, right?
Spine, yes, back. Correct. With the back, with the spine. Vertebral column, they are known as vertebrates. Okay.
Okay.
And invertebrates are those animals which have no backbone. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, just a second.
Yeah.
Yes, Harshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now invertebrates, the features of invertebrates are that they have, invertebrates we are talking, so they have 3 pairs of jointed leg and 2 pairs of wings. 2 pairs
of jointed legs
means 3 legs. Suppose the insects such as bees, right?
What, ma'am?
bees, bee, you have seen bee?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
So, 3 legs on either sides. Okay. So 3 on left side, 3 on right side. So they all are jointed with the body. Okay. All the legs are jointed. So they have 3 pairs of legs.
Okay.
Okay.
And they have wings.
Yes, and wings.
4 wings they will have.
Yes. So they are known as insects or invertebrates. Okay. Yeah. Then example, I have given you bees, and bees are also pollinators, right?
Yeah.
Bees are also pollinators. They give us honey, right?
Yeah, I learned one chapter called in that the bees actually take the nectar, and then they and when they go to when they after they take, when they're returning, it changes into honey. Then they spit it from one mouth to another. Yes. Like that, and then the honey will get filtered.
Yes. So one of the example is bees and the other is silkworm. From silkworm, what we get?
Silk.
Yes, silkworm produces silk. Okay.
Mom, silkworm also has 2 pairs of wings.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So locust is a insect which destroy the food crops. Destroy food crops, and many insects spread.
Locusts, right, ma'am?
Yes, many insects spread diseases. Diseases like malaria, etc. Okay. So all these insects also helps in making, like bees help in making honey, silkworm helps.
Ma'am, so you're telling that some invertebrates helps us and some invertebrates don't, right?
Yes, yes. Now we'll talk about invertebrates. Now we talk about vertebrates. So fish, amphibians, reptiles.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Invertebrates are insects and worms, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
So reptiles, birds, mammals, they all are vertebrates. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So if we talk about fish breathe through. Can you answer, Harshika? Yes, gills. Correct. Fish breathe through gills, and they are aquatic, right? They comes under aquatic animals. and they reproduce in water. Okay. Yes, Harshika. Should I move further?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, who do we call amphibians?
Amphibians.
Can you define amphibians, animals? What are amphibians?
They live in what? They live in land and water.
Yes, amphibians live both on land and water. Okay. So, how do amphibians breathe?
They breathe.
They breathe
Gills.
through, no, they breathe through lungs and skin. Okay.
Water, how will they breathe?
Through their skin.
Okay.
Yes. So through lungs and through skin, they breathe. Okay.
Okay.
And amphibians, they have webbed feet Do you understand what is webbed?
Web means I don't know.
Okay, I'll tell you. And they breed in water. Webbed means, have you seen the feet of frog?
Yeah.
So it's like this. It's a web kind of the
yes, the flippers while swimming we put right like
yes,
that.
yes. Okay, so now we will do a bit of some questions of true false. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So first is mammals have leathery scales on their bodies to protect them and keep them warm. I'm writing the second one. In the meantime, understand the first one.
Okay.
If you don't, I'll tell you.
Okay. Ma'am, what does leathery mean?
Means hard scales. Hard, that the body that you have seen of tortoise, I mean, they have hard body. So is it true or false that mammals have leathery scales on their bodies to protect them and keep them warm? Do you know that why tortoise doesn't feel much cold or so much hot?
Yeah.
Because the upper skin of tortoise is very hard.
Okay. So it's a skin or its home, ma'am? The shell on its top?
Yes, the shell, it's the skin only, the shell, the outer body of tortoise.
Okay.
So read the first one, it's true or false?
It's false because we don't have.
Yes, because in mammals, human beings
We
also
have
there.
skin.
Yes, human beings are also there. So that's why it's false, right? Now the second one, the surroundings in which an animal lives and survives, it's called its habitat. Yes, Harshika, this is the second one. Read it and understand.
Okay. Ma'am, the second question is true.
Yes, it's true. Habitat where animal lives and survives, right?
Yes.
So next is herbivores are animals that eat only flesh of other animals. Is it true or false?
It's false. Herbivores are animals that eat grass.
Grass.
And
Grass.
ma'am, flesh means.
Flesh means these are non-vegetarian. Flesh means other animals' body.
Okay. So the pinkish color inside our body, right?
Yes, yes. So this is false. This is false. This is true. Herbivore and the other two, you know? Do you know?
Yes, ma'am. Carnivore, omnivore, scavenger, and there's another one. It starts with H, I guess. Scavenger. That's it. I could remember, ma'am.
Yes. So what are carnivores?
Carnivores, which eat the flesh of other animals.
Yes.
Omnivores are the ones which eat grass and the flesh of other animals.
Yes.
Scavengers are the ones which eat the remaining of which the
dead.
carnivore or omnivore has eaten.
Yes. So next is fourth one is animals like wolf, frog, lizard are carnivores, are carnivorous animals. Is it true or false?
It's true, ma'am.
Yes, this is true. And the last is omnivores animals eat both plant and animals. Plant and animals.
Yes, ma'am, that's true.
Yes, this is true. Right?
Yeah.
So now we talk about reptiles. Okay.
Okay.
So we talk about amphibians, we talk about um, amphibians and fish.
We talked about amphibians and
Aquatic animals. Now we talk about reptiles. So reptiles are, they are terrestrial animals.
Ma'am, are we reptiles or mammals?
We are mammals because reptiles, they have a tail also. They have various other features that we do not have, and what we have, uh, they do not have. So reptiles are terrestrial animals. They have dry scales on their skin. So next, do you know that the birds have hollow bones, right?
Yeah, but I don't know what is hollow bones.
Okay, we'll understand.
Okay.
And feathers and wings. And birds, they do not have teeth.
And then how do they even actually chew their food?
They do not have teeth, but they have the system in their body that they can chew, but they only eat insects, mostly those things that do not require much effort to digest and much effort to eat.
Or they just need to swallow it like bananas, right?
Yes, they do not have teeth. Next, we talk about mammals. Yes. So mammals give birth to
Ma'am, do fish, amphibians, reptiles, and all put eggs, and only mammals give birth to young ones, right?
what are you saying?
Fish, amphibians, and reptiles lay eggs, and only mammals give birth to young ones, right?
Yes, correct. So mammals give birth to young ones. Next, they have mammary glands. Okay.
Mom, what is mammary glands?
Mammary glands with which the young ones can feed themselves. Okay, like a cow baby. Okay.
Okay.
Cow baby or human beings also. They can have
the mother milk which produces the
yes,
mother, right?
yes. Those
And
are
ma'am,
known
you
as
told me you will explain about hollow bones.
hollow bones. Are hollow means empty, empty bones.
They
That is
don't,
empty from inside.
but they just have the bone, but they don't have the bone marrow and all, right?
Yes, yes.
I mean like that.
Correct. So now we will do some fill-ups. Okay. An exercise. Just a second. So first is a bird. I'm just writing down the words that you have to fill in the blanks. Okay. That will help you. Sorry. Turtle. Then housefly. Ostrich. Okay, so the a bird that cannot fly. So from these, ostrich. Ostrich. Next, second is an insect that flies. That flies. And the third one is an animal that uses its flippers for swimming.
Mom, the second one is housefly.
Yes, correct.
And the third one is turtle, but I don't know how.
Yes, it's turtle. Flippers are the leg in the feet.
Feet,
Yes,
right?
the webbed feet in the feet. They have that webbed shape of the feet that we call flippers. So with that, it helps the turtle to swim.
Okay.
Okay, this is turtle. So next is I'm just writing the some more words that you have to fill in the blanks.
Okay.
Tree, migration, herbivore, India, hares. So these are the words. I'm writing the fill-ups. First is fishes have dash types of fins.
Fishes have uh, three types of fins.
Correct. 3 types of fins.
Ma'am,
Next,
what are the types?
types we'll discuss when we discuss fishes, then I'll tell you what are the types of fins.
Okay.
Okay. Next is the Siberian crane comes to dash during winters. Next, the third one. Next is animals eat different foods. They are dash. So what comes in second? In second blank?
Comes India.
India. And in the third one?
The animals eat different foods. They are herbivore.
Herbivore.
Ma'am, is it herbivore or hares?
Hares are similar to rabbits.
Okay.
Okay. Next blank is
Ma'am, but animals eat different foods. Do herbivores eat different food?
different foods means plants, grass, and plants of different kinds. So that comes under herbivore. So animals travel long distances to escape cold weather in search of food and to breed so this is called dash. So you know that there are various animals that travel to long distance
Yeah.
because they want to escape from the cold weather and in the search of food and for breeding. So we are left with the options, with 2 options. So what comes under this? Migration or hare?
Migration.
Migration, correct. So this is called migration. And the last one is rabbits and dash hop instead of walking.
Hares.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the difference between rabbit and hare?
So there is a very slight difference. I mean, they are mostly same. So otherwise, they are same only. The name is different. Otherwise, the qualities, the features, and everything is same.
Okay.
Okay. So now we'll move further.
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Yeah, just a second.
Okay.
So now we will study that. I'll mention 4 options to you, and you have to select the correct answers for each of the question.
Okay.
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 So mm, so first question is, when a bird focuses its both eyes on two different things, so birds can see two different things at the same time. Okay.
Okay.
So the options are, it can estimate the distance it can estimate the distance. Next is, it increases its range of vision. C is, it increases its depth of vision. And the last one is, it can see colors of the things more clearly. So these are the 4 options.
Okay.
So please check which one is correct.
It increases its range of vision.
B1?
Yes, B.
Yes, this is the correct one.
Okay.
So,
ma'am, and increases its range of vision means it can see clearly or something?
they can see to a larger range, to a
Okay, it can
broader,
see two
to
things.
a, yes.
Two things, so we are telling.
So the range is broader and larger than any other animal or human beings. Okay.
Okay, thank you. We can move on, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm writing next question. So next question. It looks like a bear, but is not. It looks like a bear, but is not. It spends almost 17 hours, sorry, 17 hours a day sleeping, while hanging upside down on a tree branch, and it lives for about 40 years. So the options are monkey, second is sloth, third is bat, and fourth is snake. Did you understand the question?
Yes, I understood the question. Maybe it's a bat?
I'll give you a second option. Choose leaving bat, because bat is not correct.
Okay.
Yes.
Then sloth?
Sloth. Sloth is the correct answer.
Okay. Ma'am, how will a sloth look?
I'll show you next time because I do not have the picture right now.
Okay.
Yes. So sloth is the correct answer. So next question. So I'm just telling you the question, then I'll write the option because the options are very long. So the question is, of how many of the many kinds of snakes found in our country, only 4 type of snakes are poisonous. So you have to find from the options, four options in each part is given. So you have to find which are the poisonous snakes in our country.
Okay.
So first option is python, worm snake, viper, crate. The second option is sea snake, python, cobra, common crate. C is chameleon, cobra, Russell's viper, and worm snake. And the last option is common crate, Russell's viper, cobra, and saw-scaled viper. So these are the 4 options.
Ma'am, maybe it is B, sea snake, python, cobra, and common crate.
B is not correct.
Or python, snake, viper, and crate.
The last option is the correct one.
Oh. Ma'am, it's common crate, Russell's viper,
Cobra and saw-scaled viper. So all these 4, these are the most dangerous snakes in our country.
Okay. Ma'am, so cobra and python are not poisonous snakes?
No, these are also poisonous, but the more poisonous are not crate, but the common crate. Okay. Then not viper, the Russell's viper and cobra, and the last is saw-scaled viper.
Okay, let me just write it, ma'am.
Yes.
It's sauce called viper, right?
Saw-scaled viper.
SAWSCALD, right?
SAW, then hyphen, then SCALED. Saw-scaled viper.
2 types of viper, cobra, and the common crate, right?
And the common crate. So these are the most dangerous snakes. Okay.
Okay.
So should I move further?
Yes.
Okay. So the next question is that which one of these groups contains only animals with a backbone? So I'll write the group of animals in each of the option. So you have to find the animals with a backbone. So with a backbone, we call them vertebrates, right?
Ma'am, are these NSO questions actually?
What are you saying?
Are these Olympiad questions?
Yes, these are Olympiad questions.
Okay, thank you.
So the first option is earthworm, snake, crayfish. Then second is crayfish, snake, horse. Third is roundworm, fish, earthworm, and the last option is horse, snake, and fish.
Ma'am, for the fourth option, horse, snake, and fish.
Very good. Yes, this is the correct answer.
Okay, ma'am. How will a crayfish actually be?
Crayfish have larger, I think larger, on the sides, it's large than the normal fish on the sides.
Okay.
Yes. So now next question, which is the last question for today's class. So, which of the following group has same respiratory organ? So the options are amoeba, cockroach, man, whale. Third is frog, tadpole, and the last is option is fish and frog. So which of the following group has same respiratory organ?
Man and whale.
Man and whale. Very good. Very good. Correct. So, Harshika, just wanted to ask you, you are preparing for the Olympiad from this year only, or previously also you were planning for the Olympiad, or you had any Olympiad before?
I have had from first standard itself, I am attending Olympiad.
Okay. So how's the scoring? How's everything going?
Yeah, it's going good. Last year I got 39 of 40 and first.
Wow, good. So you are attending only Science Olympiad?
No, I'm attending English, maths, and
Okay. Okay.
my Olympiad books, ma'am.
Okay, your Olympiad books. Okay. So, except from the school thing, you are focusing on Olympiad also. Great. So, okay. Hashika, now we'll meet on Monday, right?
Yeah.
Monday at 2 p.m.
Yeah.
Okay, then we'll do more questions. And
Okay.
okay. So nice class. Nice talking to you. Okay.
Ma'am.
Bye bye.
Have a
See
nice
you.
weekend, ma'am. Bye.
You too. Bye. Bye bye.